Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is jessicatrnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video, I'll be doing a DIY hair growth challenge. Guys, as you have seen from my videos, I just gave birth and I'm struggling right now with postpartum hair loss. So I want to do this DIY to see if my hair is going to grow, because I told you guys I love experimenting too much on my body, like my skin, my hair gets. So today's video is mainly for my hair. I want to do this DIY. It's called black tea rinse. So I'm going to be applying this on my hair for like 2 weeks to see, one, for my hair to stop shedding, and two, to see hair growth, if my hair is going to grow back, especially my front, guys. As you can see from my front hair, guys, I am not kidding. My front hair is all gone. My hair that was trying to grow out back, and this happened, which is a joyful moment of my life. I can't lie, guys. I'm still enjoying motherhood so much. So yeah, that's what I said. Let me come out and let you guys know, like, updates, yeah. So if you've not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Kindly subscribe, like, and comment and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification when I upload a new video. So guys, I think that's all. And I also want to say thank you for my 2K subscribers. Thank you so much. I don't know where I've been without you guys, and thank you for those who shares me out. Thank you all so much. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys so much. So God bless you guys so much for us. All right, so I'll catch you all in my next video. So we'll head to the kitchen and prepare this hair rinse. So let's do a length check. This is where my hair is right now, and this one, thank God I lose this hair self from the side. This is where it reached. This is where it reaching me right now. So it's longer than that anyway. So let's just start this video. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after I have lost it. This is my postpartum hair loose. I don't know how to classify it. As you can see from my front hair, it's all gone. Like, I just lost it, and this is a chunk of hair I got out. So when I comb it, I will know how many hair loss I have. Okay, very good. I'll comb my hair in section to minimize the hair fallout. Combing my hair. This is the hair loss I have. So let's join it together with this one. So this is total hair loss. With the ones I fell down on the floor. Like, seriously. On the toilet sink. Yes, this is my lip tone. Then let's boil water. That one is sure. Might get a cup. I love this cup. Coffee or tea? Coffee, tea, or me? Make your choice. I'm going to be transferring it here. I'm going to transfer it here. Ready? I'm going to pour it here. That is hot. That is diffuse. And I'll leave this for like 5 minutes or so, or 2 minutes. Now come back. The tea is ready. I'm not going to be drinking this, so I'm going to transfer it in this cup so I can be able to pour it inside here. Is it yourself big enough? So I just need only this, and this will serve me. I'm going to spend this for like 2 weeks on my hair. So if this is finished, I'm going to do another one and keep doing it for 2 weeks. Then I'll come back and show you guys my results. Okay. Come on, guys. Do you know that tea bag is good for when you have eye bag? Yeah, that's a quick one. You can use tea bag to release the stress you have underneath your eyes. I don't know. I'm looking straight in the mirror. That's supposed to be looking straight to this. Yes. So you can use it to help reduce the stress back on your eye. That's a quick one. How do you think? I want to apply this on my hair. So you see me looking up and looking at my mirror. So you apply and you rub, and then you just apply it all over your hair. I'm doing this every morning. Anytime. I won't say particular time, but I don't be doing this for 2 weeks. I'm going to keep this inside the fridge because it's going to ferment. Losing my hair. So when I'm done losing my hair, we'll do length check because the 7 days challenge is over. So I'm losing my hair right now. So when I'm done losing it, I'll do length check. Sorry, I was unable to like show you guys every day spraying the tea on my hair. Yeah, it's not every time I take up my phone and start vlogging. Yeah, but I did that for. Sorry, I said 7 days. I did that for 2 weeks. So when I'm done losing this hair, I'll show you guys let's check. Alright. So guys, I would say it worked for your hair not to cut, but for hair growth, I'm not sure it worked for hair growth because this is a chunk of hair that fall out. So at least it's reduced. Yeah. So it reduced down. There's a clip I'm going to put here so you see the chunk of hair that fell off. So this is a bit smaller than that. So I'll say this one works for your hair not to fall off, but for hair growth it's not working. So I am going to try the glove spray to see if it's going to help do justice to my front hair. If it does not do justice to my front hair, I will cut my hair. Yeah, so let's do length check. I don't know, what do you guys think? In the beginning of this video, I'll put the clip here. What do you guys think? Is there any growth to it? I don't know. Is there any growth to it? Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in my next one, which will be the glove for 2 weeks. So keep an eye to it. Bye bye.